I'm in Windermere in the wine room for this one today. 6 bedrooms, 5 baths, 3-car garage, over 6,000 square feet on a 1.2 acre lot, 2 balconies, 2 bonus rooms, and a pool. This is a fun one. It's lightning tour time. I don't know how much work I'd actually get done in this beautiful office. Now this is a primary suite walk-in closet. A formal living area right off your entry. And you can cook while you're watching people out at the pool enjoying their day. Watch TV in your living area with your pool right there through those beautiful doors. In a beautiful pool in your massive backyard, how many volleyball courts can you fit over in that space? A beautiful dining room with this wet bar. A 2nd bedroom on the 1st floor with a bathroom right there. Of course, there's a wine room. 1st floor laundry room. Is there a 2nd floor laundry? And also an upstairs laundry room. And this massive 2nd floor bonus room. The 1st bedroom with access to a balcony. Your 2nd bedroom with a balcony. This time, pool views. And like the new Stardust racers at Epic Universe, which side are you gonna choose? It's the same room. Again, balcony access. And even more 2nd floor bonus area space.
My Guy Bri.